Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to use the stopwatch on your ONYX Boox Go 6. So to use the stopwatch, you can access it by going to the apps. So go to the apps tab and then selecting the clock app. And here we're going to go to the watch tab or stopwatch tab, this one right here. And to use the stopwatch, what we're going to do is just press this play icon to start our stopwatch. And as you can see, it works. You can also create laps like this by pressing the clock icon. And you can also pause it and resume it if you want. And this button resets everything. So that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.